Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. I thought this was an interesting question. We'll just have to see whether everyone else agrees with me. So what we have here is we're told it's a binomial expansion. And we're asked what it was expanded from. So where did it start life, either in this form or this form? By the way, this could be just as easily be minus as could this. But these are the basic forms in which you see the script for a binomial expansion set out. Okay, so what was it expanded from? And the second question, which is kind of interesting, can we be certain about our conclusion? Now, how would I approach this? Well, knowing it's a binomial expansion, I've got some clues. Our highest power is 4. So what we had was a plus b to the power of 4. Take a look at this. I'd go for this. I'd look at the fourth root of this number because this is b to the 4, a to the 4 minus 4, which is a to the 0. And it seems that there may not be a coefficient other than 1 here. So that's what I'm bargaining on. The basic coefficient set up for something raised to the power of 4, according to Pascal's triangle, would be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this thing here should have a coefficient of 1, plus whatever else goes on here, and this should have a coefficient of 1, plus whatever goes on here. My betting is that this would be 5. So let's go with that and say that our second value is 5. Now, everything is positive. There are no negatives in here, so I'm going to make a supposition, and this is only a supposition at this stage. It's to do with the second question, but we'll get to that. Okay, now over here we have x to the power of 4, so it's a reasonable bet that that x features, so x to the power of 4. But we have 16. Now our coefficient here, our basic coefficient is 1. If this were just 1, what we would be seeing is just x to the power of 4 here. 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 1x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4. We need to find the fourth root of this thing if we're to make some progress. What is the fourth root of 16? Well, 2, 4, 8, 16. It is 2. Now, the question is this an answer? Well, let's check it with this. So this is 2x to the power of 2, 4 minus 2, times 5 to the power of 2. Let's see what we get. So we get 4x squared times 25, which gives us 100x squared. We're not done yet. Remember this, times 6, which gives us 600x squared. Okay, I think we're in business. Kind of. This thing's preying on my mind. What would happen if both of these were negative? So if we had negative 2x minus 5, I'm pretty certain that if we had one of these as negative, we'd get some negative numbers in here. But I just want to check in on this. And where I'm going to look is I'm going to look here where we've got an odd power, because if this is not going to work, sorry, I should put that there. If this is not going to work, it's not going to work where there's an odd power. Okay, so let's do this. So we have negative 2x to the power of 3 times negative 5 to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3. Sorry, not 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1. It is negative 5 to the power of 1. Okay, so negative 2 to the power of 3 is negative 8. X to the power of 3 times negative 5. There's the warning. This is going to come out positive. So that is 40 x cubed. Negative 8 times negative 5 is 40 x cubed. And we have to multiply that by 4 from here, which gives us 160x cubed. Okay, so I think we have, when it comes to answering this question, I think we have two possible solutions. This one and this one. Now, I'll explain why, if this were positive and this were negative, we wouldn't get this outcome. It's very simple. It's just here. Negative 8 times 5 would be negative 40 times 4, negative 160. If this were negative and this were positive, we'd have negative 8x squared times positive, negative 8 times positive 5, which would give us negative 40 times 4, which would give us a negative 160x cubed. These are our answers, and that's the working to get there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that as interesting an exercise as I did. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.